Steve's turn now.
How many is that?
It is
3. How is that 3?
It's 5.
Okay, it's 5. How many things are there?
I'm not sure. There might not be. I'm not sure because there was a bonus
Oh,
one.
it's
So I'm not
massive.
sure.
Whatever that is.
Oh.
I'm going to take it out. It's just getting on my nerves. Every time I put
Yeah.
my hand in, it's that. Ooh.
Ooh, looks like edamame beans, garlic. So looks like they are. I'm assuming they're like edamame and garlic flavoured crisps.
Are they?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's an interesting flavour.
That's a contender for you to try, I think, so far, that one.
Yeah, I probably like them.
Oh, maybe.
Right, so next I'm going to pick out the bottle.
Oh, bottle.
And it's Sakura Cola.
That's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really pretty bottle as well. Special for cherry blossom season. So I think this will definitely be a bottle that we'll keep afterwards and have that displayed somewhere. As long as it's nice. If it's horrible, we might not want to be reminded of it.
No, I think that'd be nice, though.
I think so.
Right. Whoa, there's a weird little... I've got my hand on a weird little egg shape.
Oh! It's rattling.
Yeah.
Hey!
Said that.
Ooh.
Don't know. Who knows?
They could be
It's got
like,
loads of little jelly beans inside.
so they could be like Skittles, or they could be like M&Ms.
Ooh, looks like jelly beans.
Quite nice. Yeah, quite
So,
nice. Ooh.
Yeah. Okay, that can go there then.
Right. And we'll look in the book afterwards to look at
Oh, everyone will be verified on the official list.
yeah. Although it might be more fun to try them before we know.
Yeah, maybe.
Right, this one's quite a big packet.
Oh, hello.
And it's banana flavoured Kit Kats. I like the melon Kit Kats. I've never had banana flavoured before.
I'm
so.
glad they put Kit Kats in because they can be quite expensive to buy, can't they?
Yeah, they can be.
So
yeah.
they haven't bottled out and they've
No,
chucked in some good things.
The bags of Kit Kats like this. Sorry, our cat's just walking across.
Yeah.
The bag of Kit Kats like this are normally about £5 or £6, like for a bag like this. And
Yeah.
if you get boxed Kit Kats, they're usually even more. So yeah, it's good that there's these plus one bonus. That's good.
Sounds good. I'm impressed new.
Yeah.
Right, it's my go, isn't it?
Yes, it's your go.
Okay. Oh, it's feeling a bit emptier now. Okay, I've got a little bar of something.
Ooh.
A little bar.
Black Thunder.
Oh no, sorry, no, I'm wrong.
Ooh.
So that's like little.
It looks like Sugar Puffs.
That's rubbish though. That's the weak. That's the weakest
It
thing
is.
so far.
That's
But
yeah.
they might as well just chuck it in, haven't they?
Yeah.
Just do it.
It might be really
Jack
nice.
in
It
a
might
snack, but-
end up being the nicest thing.
That's the least excited thing.
It is the
isn't it? That's like
definitely the least
that's
exciting
the real
thing.
sort of jobber thing to come out of there so far.
Yeah. Right. Is there anything?
You can't have your-
There's a few things still here. This feels.
Oh no, he looks alright.
Ooh. And this
Ooh.
looks like Sugar Puffs.
That
as
looks
well.
like yeah, it does look like
Oh, it's like the coffee you get from the machines.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. And this is milk and coffee taste.
Oh, okay.
Is this a cereal? It's a cereal. It's a breakfast.
cereal.
It's a breakfast cereal.
Oh, excellent.
Coffee flavoured breakfast cereal.
That's alright.
Definitely give that a go.
I think you're more excited about it than me. You can have
I'm
it.
intrigued. It's like coffee flavoured Sugar Puffs. Sorry, I realised this is it's not an interesting fact. I've been calling these Sugar Puffs for years and years and years, and a few months ago I found out that they had actually changed names to Monster Puffs it was over 5 years ago.
And I still haven't noticed that.
Really? You haven't noticed that?
I still need next time we go, you need to point that out.
Yeah.
Because I still don't actually believe you. So
No, I was calling them Sugar Puffs, and then I forget why I was trying to tell somebody about the Sugar Monster, the Honey Monster, I mean.
right, come on. Moving on then.
That anecdote possibly won't make it.
Oh, this is a tiny little.
Ooh.
This is a tiny little thing.